Solve the system of equations by using substitution. You must show your work using this method to get full credit. State if there is no solution or infinite solutions. So when we solve by substitution, we need to have one of the variables in either equation completely isolated. So either x or y isolated in both or in one of the equations. Well, I'm looking at this bottom equation, and this is really nice. We already have x isolated. So they have told us that x is negative 1/2 y minus 4. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this, the x equals, and we're going to put it in for this x in the other equation. We're going to substitute it in. Okay, so let's write out that equation. We have 4, let's leave some parentheses, minus 3y equals 4. I'll just write out the rest of the equation. And then we're going to substitute that in. So they made it really nice for us. We could solve for a different variable, but I would highly, highly recommend use the one that was already solved for. So negative 1/2 y minus 4. Now we're going to distribute this in. So 4 times negative 1/2, we get negative 2y. 4 times negative 4 minus 16 minus 3y equals 4. Okay, so we have negative 2y and negative 3y. Those together will become negative 5y. We're not adding 3y over because they're on the same side. We're just combining the like terms. We still have minus 16 equals 4. Okay, we'll add the 16 to both sides. So we get negative 5y equals 20. It's always nice. It's going to work out clean. We divide by negative 5 on each side, and we get y equals negative 4. So this is our first point, or our first part of our point, but we need to also find the x value because we're actually looking for an ordered pair. We're looking for the place these two lines cross, so we need an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So we found the y-coordinate. Now what we can do is take this and substitute it in for either equation and solve for x. Again, I would recommend using that second equation. It's already solved for x. So x equals negative 1/2 times y, which is negative 4, minus 4. So negative 1/2 times negative 4 is negative 2. Almost made a mistake. Negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 2, and then minus 4. 2 minus 4 is going to be a negative 2. So our ordered pair then, the place where these two lines cross, is the point negative 2, negative 4. That's our final answer. So on this problem, a couple things. Remember, we need one of the variables solved for. Since they solved for this x, we just want to use that one, substitute it in, solve for that variable, and then substitute that number that we get for the variable into either equation and solve for the other one. So we had y, we needed to substitute in so we could solve for x.